In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. Exporting your data is really useful if you want to build reports, share updates with people who don't use Asana, or simply back up your project information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to take a project from Asana and turn it into a file you can open and work with in Excel. First, open Asana in your browser and sign into your workspace or organization as you normally would. Once you're in, start by choosing the specific project you want to export. This might be a team project, a personal task list, or a client board. From the sidebar on the left, click on the project name so that the full project view opens. Make sure you're in the list view of the project, since that's usually the clearest layout for exporting tasks into a spreadsheet. At the top of the project, near the project name, look for a small arrow or drop-down icon. This is usually found in the upper right area of the project header. It can be easy to miss because it's quite small, but it's the key to getting to the export options. Click on that small arrow to open a drop-down menu of project actions. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Export or Sync. This is where Asana groups all of the ways you can pull your data out or connect it to other tools. Go ahead and click on Export or Sync. When you do this, you'll see several choices, including options related to syncing with other apps. From that list, choose the option to export as a CSV file. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a very simple, universal file format that Excel can open without any issues. When you select CSV, Asana will prepare a download of your project's tasks, including columns like task name, assignee, due date, and other key details. After a moment, your browser should start downloading the CSV file. Once the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to open it in Excel. Excel will automatically interpret the CSV and place your data into rows and columns. From there, you can sort, filter, add formulas, create charts, or format the information however you like. And that's it. By selecting your project, opening the small arrow menu, choosing Export or Sync, and then picking the CSV option, you've successfully exported your Asana project and brought it into Excel.